Welcome back. GCA President Dayanand Narvekar announced that the association will inaugurate their indoor cricket academy at Porvorim on 12th July. Narvekar stated that this state-of-the-art academy cost is estimated up to 3 crore rupees. Dayanand Narvekar declared that the GCA elections will be held on 26th July.
We are spending around 3 crore rupees on the pavilion and the ground, which you can see today. The indoor pitch is ready and it will start functioning from 12th July.
Dayanand Narvekar informed about the relaying of indoor pitches in the state.
Mapsa pitch also has been relayed and the entire work of repairing pitches, surfacing them was outsourced to a company named AstroTurf, which is actually an imported material from America. And GCA has spent more than 20 lakhs in relaying 3 indoor pitches, one in Mapsa, one in Madgaon, and one in the GCA indoor hall itself.
Narvekar also declared the date of GCA election.
So actually, filing of nomination will start from 16th onward, and in 10 days' time, election will be held for the next 3 years of Goa Cricket Association. Normally we used to pass the account after election, but this time we want to pass the account before election so that any honorable member have any suggestion or about the working of GCA, they could question the same on this month and then they can also decide about the election.
A reporter from Porvorim, Shamsundar Fatte.
Parra Verla Kanka Association felicitated Goa football captain Felix D'Souza at Parra on Saturday. Goa captain Felix D'Souza played a major role in guiding the team to the Santosh Trophy glory. He dedicated the Santosh Trophy to the Goans and expressed his gratitude for being felicitated by PBC.
Kalangut MLA Agnello Fernandes felicitated Goa captain and goalkeeper Felix D'Souza. After the special felicitation function, Felix D'Souza expressed his feeling to us.
The credit goes to all the boys who played there. They worked their heart out there and they gave their best. In spite of all the injuries, they gave their best. And the coaches, the managers, their patient. And this Santosh Trophy belongs to the people of Goa because I know the people of Goa are very patient. They love their football very much and I really appreciate this for the support they have given me when we came to Goa. And I know the expectations in Goa are also very high.
PVC Association former football players were also felicitated during this function. A reporter from Parra, Shamsundar Fatte.
Sangolda Lightning reached the semi-final of the 36th Bandodkar Memorial Football Tournament after defeating Saligaon Sporting Club. The tournament is organized by Baina Sports Club in association with Al Javeed Jewellers.
Quarter-final of 36th Bandodkar Football Tournament was played between Sangolda Lighting Sports Club and Saligaon Sporting Club at MPT Ground Vasco on Saturday. Sangolda opened their goal account in the first half. Saligaon equalized the goal tally to 1-1 in the first half. No goals were scored in the second half. In the penalty shootout after the full time, Sangolda Lighting won the match by 5-4 goals and stormed into the semi-final of the tournament. A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Wildred Leisure Sports Club Kurtori, in association with Wildred Sports Authority, organized their first All-Goa badminton tournament at the Fatorda Indoor Stadium from Saturday.
The tournament was held for boys and girls under the category of 13 years. Sainath Kamath beat Mayan Chakravarti by 21-14 and 21-8 points. Amar Shetty won over Teja Reddy by 24-22 and 22-20 points. In girls, Pranjan Chimbulkar beat Sneha Borkar by 21-3 and 21-6 points, while Malti Dare beat Emily Silvera by 21-11 and 21-16 points. Tanvi Desai beat Simran Faldesai by 21-8 and 21-5 points. A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Let's watch the headlines once again. Vishwajit Rane refuses to accept Jindal's VRS application, says GMC needs its dean. Indian ambassador in Qatar says no need to panic on global recession. More Indians are welcomed in Qatar for employment. Fourth Global Goan Convention to be held in Muscat this year. Convention organized to connect Goans working abroad. And GCA to inaugurate Indoor Football Academy at Porvorim. GCA election to be held on 26 July. And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.